Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So probably as you observed at the very beginning of this video, my device will black out basically immediately. I believe I've got 30 seconds of the screen timeout set. So let's change it. Let's extend this time. First of all, we have to enter the settings. Then let's scroll down a little bit and find always on display and lock screen. And as you can see here, we've got the sleep option. And as you can see, I've got 1 minute, not 30 seconds, but still it is not a long time. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see in this device we are able to pick something between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. So at the top we've got relatively short options to choose from, and then we've got minutes, so much longer. As I said, I've got 1 minute option applied. This option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. And I will pick 10 minutes, so let me tap on it, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.